In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to post multiple photos on one Instagram story with a single song. This is Miguel from Just Boz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, go ahead and open Instagram and make sure you're on the home page in the bottom left here, and then swipe right from the home page to open the story screen. Make sure story is selected at the very bottom, and then on the left side you need to tap the icon with the two A's and it's going to be labeled create. So go ahead and tap on that, and you can tap the color button in the bottom right to change the background color as well, but this can also be changed later. But once you find a color that you like, go ahead and take that picture for it and press the sticker button in the top right, and it's going to give you a whole list of options, but you're going to want to press photo. Choose your first picture and then pinch it into whatever size you want it to be in, and you can also drag it in any position. You can also tap the photo to change its crop or shape. To add another picture, go ahead and press the sticker button again, and if it takes you back to this screen, just hit photo again and select your second photo, and you can do this for however many photos you want. And to remove one, all you have to do is grab it and drag it to the trash bin at the very bottom. And you can also use the text button up here to add any amount of text that you want, as well as the sticker icon again to add different types of stickers. To add music, tap the music button in the middle of the top right area here and search for a song or choose one from the trending list, then tap it. Use the controls to choose which section of the song that you want, its length, and how the music sticker appears. Press done, then tap your story in the bottom left to post it to your story. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.